you can come here to fan apps and do all kinds of stuff. Okay, in fact, that's going to bring me to my next point. Is there's apps you can download for direct promotion. Now, fan apps is pretty cool for direct promotion too, for selling, because you can come in here to promotions, you can go create an offer. But with fan apps, if you want to create a promotion, you have to upgrade to pro. Okay, all this other cool stuff you'd have to upgrade. So I've got a couple free apps that you can use. So at your page, you go back here. The first thing you're going to need is YouTube for pages. So just type in YouTube into your browser and you'll see YouTube for pages. Click on that. Basically, you want to click here to install and choose page Profit Insiders. Now obviously what this is going to do is put your videos in your channel on your page. Okay, so it's just rad. And I'm going to show you how to really get into YouTube in the next segment here once we're done with Facebook. But you want to go ahead and get your YouTube videos on Facebook as well. Okay, so you just go to add YouTube for pages. I'm reinstalling this. And then here you put your username for your YouTube channel. We don't have a channel for Profit Insiders, so we'll use Anthony's channel. Hit Anthony Morrison Inc. Import uploads, yes. And featured video is going to be the latest video. You can change that if you want. So all you do is come down here to save changes. And make sure you click on automatically post to wall as well, and then save changes. Click here at return to Facebook page. And here we go. So I'll show you what it looks like from your page. Here we've got a YouTube app now. You can click on that. And that's going to take you right to all your YouTube videos that have uploaded. Okay? And these all come in straight from YouTube. So this is a really cool app. Alright, so this is where you're really going to be able to sell here. You can put some sales videos, some affiliate sales videos. Showed you how to create some videos in the SEO section. We're really going to dive into that in the YouTube section. But for now, I just wanted you to know having YouTube on your Facebook page is awesome. The next app that you can download is the SlideShare. Click on SlideShare. Now SlideShare is pretty cool. You got to click sync slideshare.net account. Basically, you got to set up an account with SlideShare, but SlideShare is going to allow you to create, compelling presentations with Word, PDF, images, audio, video that you can use basically to sell, review a product, do anything like that. So SlideShare is pretty cool. You can also just create a screen capture in Camtasia or Cam Studios and upload that to YouTube, and then you can just use the YouTube Pages app as well. So there's a couple ways to do that. SlideShare is cool, but you don't really need it. You can just use Cam Studios, which is free, or Camtasia, which is the paid version. Just record a screen cap. That's basically what I'm doing right now. Pretty easy to do, and it's a great way to get your content out there. And then the last app I'm going to show you is Easy Promos. Come to Easy Promos. Click on Step-by-Step Guide. You can install the application here. Install Easy Promos Basic. Choose your Facebook page. Add Page tab. And here you go. You can actually start doing promotions here. You can run sweepstakes, photo contests, video contests. You can get people to, enter and win. Your prizes don't have to be anything like crazy. Just cool stuff. People love to compete and win. You can have people send in photos, send in videos. You can also do this on fan apps, but you got to upgrade to be able to do the promotion. So really, fan apps is good for the engagement apps, and then Easy Promotions is a free way to do and run your promotions. Okay, so very cool.